Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. It is only for the private group. Also, we're going to talk about the private group. We're going to talk about details and pricing. Most of you guys are only interested about the price, so I'm going to give you guys details about everything, right? But as we're looking at the chart right now, the current price of BTC on Binance, it is 11,385. And guys, it is very accurate, guys. it is amazing how sometimes BTC can follow your orders. Like we give a target to get out at 11,463 to 11,485, right? You can see where BTC came down 11,476, guys. And then that was a very tight window, 15 points, guys. 15 points in this type of market, this type of volatility, and you get in like a target range of 15 points, and then price came exactly in the middle. It is incredible, right? It is incredible. So target to the downside, it is nothing but, I gave it to you in a Telegram group, right? I gave you those target in a Telegram group, so I have to take a look at it because sometimes I forget very quick if I don't go back and read it, and then since it is live stream, I don't want to say the wrong thing, right? But let me take a look at it. Hopefully the sound is good. And okay, target to the downside is 11,305 and 11,285, right? So it can go lower, but for those of you like swing trading, especially not swing trading with leverage, that's great, man. You take a look at it, most of you guys pretty aggressive, like doing 25x, right? So that's roughly 1.6%, right? So if you multiply 1.6% by 10, if you're doing 10x, that's 16%, guys. It is 16%. So if you're doing 25x, just multiply it by 25x. That's almost like 25 times 1 definitely is 25, right? Times, so let's say 40%, guys. 40% if you're doing 25x. So if you're aggressive enough, don't do that, like go all in with your portfolio, right, with 25x, unless you know what you're doing. That's 40% of your portfolio in one trade, guys. In one trade, you only can get that from Sun Crypto. You only can get that from Sun Crypto, guys. So it is incredible how you guys get like almost 600 points to 1,000 points in less than 24 hours. It is incredible, guys. It is incredible. So if you are leveraging, you really don't need BTC to be volatile. You just want BTC to be moving sideways. And when BTC is volatile, going to the upside, you just take it to the upside. You don't do anything, right? You don't do anything unless you know what you're doing, right? Keep that in mind, right? So what I'm looking for this wedge. I know yesterday, like some of you guys been looking for this wedge, like this rising wedge, but we got this one, and we hit our target in this area exactly, right? So what can we anticipate, right? We can anticipate BTC to come back and retest this area of our target, which is 11,305 to like 11,285, right? In this range. This one gonna be depending on time, at what time BTC gonna come back down and retest, right? Because if BTC goes up and then move sideways, come back, retest this trend line. Let me change the color because green is easier to see, right? That's why people love the market to be green. Let's see. Yeah, so if like we come back down and retest this trend line, so watch for this trend line, even though this is our target. But if like BTC decide to move sideways, blah blah blah, and then decided to retest in this area, you just take profit and then take it to the upside, right? So but that's for later. Don't go ahead and anticipate it without knowing what you're doing, right? Unless you are very comfortable with your strategy. So but been doing pretty good the last 5 to 7 days. So you want to secure all that profit. I told you right around like the 14K, right? Save your profits for the next uptrend, right? So save your profits. So I don't want like people coming in and telling other people like I lost some money, because I'm pretty sure none of you guys lost some money within the last 5 to 7 days, right? So with all these target, like straightforward, like very easy targets, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So most of you guys already made like 20 at least 20 to 30% gains, right, within the last 5 to 7 days. So keep that in mind. So save those profits, and then if like BTC gonna be going to the downside, or if you're leveraging, it doesn't matter to you. We can short it all the way down to 0, and then if it is going like to the upside, we can, you know, long it all the way up to you know, to the sky, right? So it doesn't matter. So keep that in mind, guys. So next target, I just told you, right? Just told you the target 11,305, 11,305 and 11,285. Right? Put your stop losses. If it decide to bounce back, you already got 100. We already got 100 points, right? Almost 1163. So if you're leveraging right now, you want to take those profits, right? If you double digit, you wanna at least, like, you know, put your stop limit lower, okay? So to secure those profit in case we got a big spike to the upside, right? A full more move, all right? Because you don't get those 15 to 20% every day. So if you get it, make sure to secure it, guys, because this gonna you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about now the private group. Regarding the private group, it is I know most of you guys are just interested about the payment, right? So we're gonna start off with the payment. The payment gonna be 0.011 BTC, which I think it is pretty fair for most of you guys. I know, like, some of you guys holding a lot of BTC, some of you guys not holding a lot of BTC like me, right? So I think like 0.011 BTC is pretty fair for all of you guys. And then what you're gonna get, you know, you're gonna get basically what you're getting right now for free, right? To make to double your portfolio, whatever, to triple your portfolio, whatever you're getting, that's what you're gonna get. Nothing will change, right? You're gonna get in you're gonna get the private live stream, right? And then if you have any like a educational video, you know, you can join like you know, any educational private live stream for Elliott wave, pattern, indicators, strategy. It's not guaranteed it is going to be every day or every week, but whenever I feel like it is necessary to go through it, right? Okay, I'm gonna schedule it, and then we can go through it. But the 90% of the content will be like basically targets, right? Entry in and out, because most of you guys don't have time to you know, to photos like to watch videos every day or live stream every day. So the only thing you guys need is like entry and exit, right? Entry and exit. That's the only thing you need. That's the only thing you need, right? So 80 to 90% of the content gonna be entry and exit, entry and exit. So if you're not leveraging, I'm not encouraging you to go leverage, but I recommend it. Okay, it is not a financial advice. So, but if you leverage, your mindset will change. Okay, your mindset will change, because like before I wasn't leveraging. I just started leveraging like less than 10 days, and I was able to take like, you know, $400 to almost $1,700 last night, right? Not in one day, but just like since I started, right? I think I started like last week. But you know, when I open up Bybit, I put like $400 in there, right? And then I was able to take it like to last night. It was like up to like 1,700, right? So it was like 0.04 BTC, something like that, up to like a 0.157 or 0.162. So just by myself, right? So imagine if like we're in a group, okay, we get those targets like of you know, 600 points a week. Just 600 points a week. That's all you need, guys. Don't be greedy like me trying to get a 4,000 point a week and then get wrecked. So basically in the group, we're gonna guarantee it. We're gonna try to guarantee it ourselves 400 to 600 points a week, depending on your portfolio. It is a lot. If you're holding one BTC and you're leveraging it 10x, right? If BTC goes up 600 points, right? That's 6%. 6%, not 60. 6%, right? So if you're doing 10x, you multiply it by 10. That's 60%, guys. So you already got half of your BTC just in 1 week. Just in 1 week. That's why you guys need to understand leverage, right? Because I didn't understand it like that, right? I just understood it like you put your money in and then you know, blah blah blah. But after I, you know, practiced it myself, got wrecked. The first time I was doing 100x, I got wrecked. So you know, I understand like how it works, and then I got a lot of good strategies, and then just in a week, guys, just in a week. So I'm pretty sure you guys can do it also. So let me take a look at the chart room, right? So before I take a look at the chart room, we're also gonna get a cent premium. The cent premium, it is only gonna be like for very small people, right? It's not like too many, but I'm not going to implement it right now. We're just going to go with the regular private live stream group. But the Send Premium, it is going to be like everything you're getting on a regular basis, like on a regular private group, you're going to get it. You're also going to get some live chat, some texting, calling, private tutoring, and you're also going to get like live trading. So basically that's the Send Premium. So I don't want it to be like 100 200 people. So it is going to be maximum 10 to 15 people, right? 10 to 15%, 10 to 15 people maximum. Even if it is less, 5 to 8, it is okay. That's the lesser the better, the lesser the better. So but we're going to talk about that down the road. Within the next 30 to 45 days, I'm going to get back to it. So and then if you're interested, you can let me know if you're holding like a good amount of BTC or something like that, and then you're interested in that, and then want to double your BTC amount, stuff like that. We can go through it, okay? And then within the next 30 to 45 days, when I get some more time taking care of you guys, make money, within the next 30 to 45 days, we're gonna take it to the next level, right? Most of you guys already been in a group like since like December. I'm pretty sure you guys already been doing very well, okay? Doing very well. Even if you're not doing well, you're not buying at the top and selling at the bottom, okay? You're not buying at the top and you're not selling at the bottom, okay? So so let me take a look at the private, not the private, the chat room. So if you have any question, you can private message me, and then we can go through it. I can give you more details, but I think like it is better to talk it out, like, I mean, on a live stream, than to write it down, because if I write it down, it is going to be a lot of questions, right? So but if you want to listen to it again, you can go back and listen to it, so it's not going to be no confusion. So I don't need to repeat anything. If you don't understand anything, if you don't understand what I say, just re-listen. Okay, listen the live stream again, right? So okay, just like Joe is saying, if you haven't read Joe message, Joe McDonald, so read his message. Those type of situation is going to be for the premium people. Like, let's say you got in trouble like from another group, and then you're coming in, and then you're trying to restructure your portfolio, get back in shape, stuff like that, right? So that's going to be for the premium. But I know most of you guys are already in shape, so you really don't need premium, right? So but down the road, you want to improve your BTC quality, doubling it, tripling it, quadrupling it. That's for the premium, and then we're going to talk about it down the road, right? But right now, let's focus on our group, and then I'm going to send you the link, right? The most important thing is the link. So if you're interested, okay, send me a message, okay, private message, and I'm going to send you the link. So as soon as I send you the link, make sure to join, okay, because the link going to expire. It is going to expire as soon as you get the link. Just make sure to join as soon as possible. So it's only going to be quick. You already joined this public group, so the link going to be the same thing. You just click on it and then you join, okay, and then it's not going to work again, right? So keep that in mind. And if you're already in the group, please, as soon as I give you the link, don't try to share it. And everything we talk about in the private group, it has to stay there. You cannot go on Send Crypto group and then say like, oh, we talked about this, our target is that, blah blah blah, you guys doing good and that. So just keep it private. It is private, that's why we call it private, okay? So I also wanted to emphasize that, right? So but if you have any question, let me know, and then I'm gonna answer your question as precise as possible, right? Hey, what's up, Greg? Okay, it'll be better to message me again, so it will not create any confusion, because just because you are interested like before doesn't mean like you're interested now, right? So let's say you thought like I'm gonna charge you $10, and I'm charging you 0.011 BTC, like, okay, I'm not interested. I don't want to send you the link if you're not interested, right? So, and you think about it, 0.011 BTC is like you guys gonna make that in in one trade, okay? It doesn't matter what your portfolio size is. Even if you start off with $500, I just showed you guys. Okay, I started with $400 and I took it like up to $1,700. Okay, and I haven't even traded all day today. Okay, I haven't even. I mean, I took one trade like 11,463. I didn't even get the chance to exit. It is bouncing back, but it didn't hit our target, so I'm not even gonna worry, right? So that's the only trade I took today, because I'm already up like 2x. From my starting, point, right? So I'm not gonna 3x actually. I'm not gonna be like rushing it, right? So I'm just gonna take it slow. So no, it's not gonna be after 16K. It is gonna be by the 15th, right? Today is the 12th. It is gonna be on the 15th. Is gonna be Wednesday. So if you're interested, let me know, and I'm gonna send you the link. And by Wednesday, all the targets going to be sent to that group. Okay, all the signals will be sent to that group, and then it is not going to be like every minute every target like we're doing right now. It is going to be very organized. If you want more targets, that's fine for you, right? But we cannot guarantee you like a target after target like we're doing right now. Like you're going long, you're out, and then you're gonna go short. It is not guaranteed. Okay, we're gonna get our 600 points a week at least, right? We're gonna get our 4 to 600 points, right? Depending on your leverage, that's almost like 20 to 30%, up to 60% gain a week, right? You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. You cannot get that anywhere, guys, anywhere. So do it after 16K. Yeah, okay, Clay, just send me a message. I'm gonna send you the link, right? I already got the group set up, so if I send you the link gonna expire afterward. So make sure to how do I get on the live chat? I think somebody just asked for Jamie Kern. I'm gonna send you. So make sure to send me a link, right? Hey, what's up, Jay Hertz? So what's up, Greg, Kelly, Clay? So we got 23 watching. So hey, what's up, K4 Liberty? So we're gonna take it to the next level, guys, because all you guys know BTC is not dead yet. So it doesn't matter what's the price of BTC, as long BTC is alive, you can trade it to zero, or you can trade it to to 1 million, right? It just has to be alive. That's all. That's the only thing that matters. Whether it goes to 16K or it goes to 3K, if you're leveraging, it really doesn't matter to you, right? So let me take a look at the chat room, see if you guys have any questions. So let me know if you guys have any questions, please. All right, I got a couple of people already sending me about the link. I will send you the link, and then everything will start off Wednesday. And then regarding the payment, it's going to be 0.011 BTC, no dollars, no PayPal. So just to be fair to you, and then to be fair to myself, it is not going to be like oh, BTC is too expensive. We have to reduce the payment, or it's not going to be like BTC is too low right now, I'm going to have to increase the payment. You see what I'm saying? So where the BTC is like a dollar, you're still going to pay 0.011 BTC. Where the BTC is like $100,000, you're still going to pay 0.011 BTC. So it is going to be fair for both situations, right? So it's not going to be unless like down the road, like we have like a change in plan and decrease or increase prices, stuff like that. But we're not going to change the prices based on price of BTC. We're going to change the prices based on the quality. You see what I'm saying? So that's basically what I'm trying to tell you. So it is better, like I told you earlier, better to get your leverage account. Okay, get your leverage account. Start off with $100, $50, whatever you want to start off with for your first 2 or 3 weeks. Get familiar with those sites. whichever sites you use. I'm not recommending it, okay? I'm recommending it. I'm not encouraging you, basically, if you don't know what you're doing, right? Learn those sites and then get on board, and then you know, do what you gotta do, guys. So do what you gotta do, basically. All right, so let me take a look at the chat room again. I'm gonna send this guy a link. So if you guys have any question, so let me see. Not you. So let me do this really quick, 2 seconds, and then all right. So that's it for regarding the private group, right? Regarding the private group. Regarding BTC, we got a small bounce. I don't have time to go into it. We're not yet at target, so it could be a small flat correction, right? It could be a small flat correction in this range, like a small bounce, and then we could hit this move and then retest that area, right? So it is very weak. The stock RSI is very weak. Let's take a look at the Heikin-Ashi. It's not that bad though. It's not that bad. It's not that bad on the Heikin-Ashi. Okay, but just put your stop loss, like I told you, like at the beginning of the live stream. Put your take profit, put it closer, and since like you're leveraging, depending on your leverage size, $100 is a lot. Okay, $100 is a lot. That's 10%, right? That's 10% if you're doing 10x, and that's almost 25% if you're doing 25x. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Thanks a lot, crypto. All right, so let me take a look at the chat room again. So hey, what's up, Raymond? Hey, what's up, Greg? Yeah, the target is still 11,305 to 11,285. Just because we got a big bounce doesn't mean like it is gonna go anywhere. That's why I say, like, put your take profit closer, your stop loss, whatever, not your stop loss, but your take profit. Put it like a yes, your stop loss, basically. Just get it closer to the current price, so you can avoid those big bounce, right? You could have get out like just about 11.4, right? And then you can short it again, right, from 11.434. So it doesn't look strong at all, this move. Most likely a bounce is due in this area. Okay, most likely a bounce. So sometimes BTC is very funny, right? BTC is very funny. It is very funny. So it is very funny sometimes. Hey, what's up, Freddy? So the group is not end. I mean, this group is still going to be. We're still going to keep this group, but we're not going to be getting like those extensive target, because you got to be fair to those people who are willing to make a lot of money and willing to pay for. All right. So it's just kind of like you don't want to go to school for free, and then other people are going to to the same school and paying, right? So it's not really fair, right? It's not really fair. And this group been like been around since December, so you guys been receiving targets after targets since December for free, right? So but you can still stay in the group, I'm still going to be talking in that group, but I'm not going to be giving like extensive target. If you have any question, you can ask me privately. I will answer, help you out, everything. But 99% of the content will be in the other group, right? So 99%, because like I said earlier, guys, we all lost more than more than one BTC at some point, right? So or 2 bits, some of us like 5 BTC, 10 BTCs. So that's what you're paying in a year, right? You think about it, right? That's not even like 10% of a BTC, right? 10% of a BTC, not even, right? Just about 10% of a bit. That's what you're paying a year, right? So, and even if you put your stop losses, just think of it that way. When you put your stop losses, you guys put your stop losses like 150 points away from your target, right? So it means you're willing to lose that 150 points, right? You're willing to lose it, right? Because you know it, you're ready to lose it. But you're paying roughly $100 a month, right? To make like double your portfolio, basically, at some point in the future, right? To pay $100 just to double your portfolio. It doesn't matter like when you're gonna double your portfolio, but you're gonna double your portfolio, right? So it is not guaranteed, but 600 points a week, 400 to 600 points a week, you can do a lot with it, guys. You can do a lot with it, okay? You can do a lot with it. It doesn't matter if BTC goes up or down. It doesn't matter, okay? So if you're a leverage trader, bullish and bearish is irrelevant to you. That's why I say like, get your leverage trading account. Bullish or bearish is irrelevant to you, because you gotta think about it. If BTC is 10,000 and you BTC is like, you only get one BTC and BTC goes down to like a 5,000, right? If you're not leveraging, you're gonna be like, oh man, I only get $5,000 right now. But if you leverage BTC like 10x, right? If BTC drop to $5,000, right? You've been shorting BTC since like 10K. So imagine what you're gonna get, right? That's 50% drop, right? But you multiply 50 by what? 10. That's 500, right? So you get 500% gain. 500% gain, even though BTC drop 50%. That's how you need to. That's the reason why you need to think it through, right? You just don't be scared of leverage, right? Don't be scared of leverage, unless you're doing like 100x, and then you're gonna get wrecked like in crypto, right? So don't do 100x. Don't do more than 25. Even more than 10, don't do it if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, do 5 to 10 at the beginning, and then get your flow right, and then you're gonna be okay, right? You've been doing okay without no leverage. I've been doing great without no leverage for 2 years. So can you imagine, guys? Can you imagine? I'm very excited, guys. I'm very excited. It doesn't matter. Like, that's what I'm saying. If you have 0.1 BTC, if you're leveraging and then you're following this signal with your proper stop loss, you can double your money. It's not guaranteed you're gonna double it, but with a 600 points, if you can get 600 points a week, 400 to 600 points, that's 40% gains a week. That's like $400 right there. If you got like 0.1 BTC, you start off with like 0.1 BTC. Because I did it, and I'm doing the same thing. The same thing I'm telling you, that's what I'm doing. So you can imagine, guys. You can just imagine how many points we got in this area. You go back and look at your trade record. Just flag correction, we got like almost 1,000 points, and everybody's waiting for BTC to drop or to go up, and we already got 1,000 points in this area. Okay, you already got 1,000 points, and not included the 1,000 point we got from like a 12K. This drop we call like a 4 hours before, right? We said like we're gonna drop. BTC is looking weak. I pinned the message, guys, but most of you guys didn't pay attention. So most of you guys thought like we spark into the upside. It is okay. I will send you the link, K4. Fair this, if you would like to join, join. I don't think I'm pretty sure you lose a 0.1 BTC every week or so. I'm not losing it intentionally, but at least put your stop loss, right? That means you're ready to lose it. So K4, Greg, you gotta get your money out of Robinhood. Yes, get your money out of Robinhood, because Robinhood doesn't hold your BTCs, right? Because they don't give you your BTCs, they only give you money back. Right. The fee is like a month to month. I don't know if I mentioned it. It is month to month. Okay, it is month to month, right? Every month, right? So we're gonna start off the 15th. So it is gonna, just to be fair, it's gonna be every 15th, right? Every 15th. It doesn't matter if the month is 30 days or 28 days. So I don't want like February 2020, right? And then March 15, 2020, you guys gonna be like, oh, it's not 30 days yet. So just to be fair, it is the 15th of every month, okay? And make sure like it is gonna be 0.011 BTC when you send it. Your fees, you know, excluded and everything. You send that, okay? Only BTCs, no other coins, because I know I like XRP, but it is gonna create some confusions. Just BTCs, which is like 90% of what we trading. So just to be fair, right? So to you and to I, okay? So I think you guys don't have any questions. I guess I did a good job explaining everything, right? Hey, what's up, Train Hunter? I know you came for the Liberty. No, you came. So it seems like, guys, you guys are a great listener, right? You guys don't have any question. That's great. What else? I think that's about it, guys. So I'm trying to make it a short live stream, so like the rest of the people can listen, and then I get all the details, right? Get all the details. So you be all right, Ferdis. You be all right, man. You should have made like more than 0.1 BTC since you joined the group. So if you follow the signals correctly, if we get like any other updates, I'm gonna keep you updated, right? I'm gonna update I'm gonna update the rules or anything else, right? After you join the group, you're gonna get all the other details. But that's the most important right now. The rest of the details, it is nothing but like respect, you know, everybody's opinions, blah blah blah, just like what it is right now, okay? And stuff like that. So nothing will change. We're gonna stay the same, right? Nothing will change. Okay. Be careful shorting, okay? Be careful, okay? If you don't know what you're doing, I'm telling you, you're gonna lose all your money. I'm telling you, so be careful, all right? Be careful, all right? Be careful. Okay, be careful. If you don't know what you're doing, don't just jump in and start shorting, right? Because you gotta, it requires a lot of discipline. It requires, you know, tools, the right settings and all of that, right? So all right, guys, thank you for watching, man. I guess you guys get all the information you need, right? All right, thanks a lot.